Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Lorenzana Josephine Balatong. I am 44 years old. My height is 146 centimeter. I don't have any long-term medication or maintenance. I don't have any history of serious illness or disease. I don't have any tattoo. I have a live-in partner and have two children. I am high school graduate and have TESDA and C2 household services. My work experience as a domestic helper in Hong Kong with the 5 members of the family, 4 adults and 1-year-old baby boy and have a small dog. My duties are taking care of 1-year-old baby boy and take care of one small dog. I do household work, house cleaning, cooking, cook some Chinese food, doing laundry, ironing the clothes, marketing, car washing. Another work experience as a domestic helper in Taiwan for 6 years in one employer. My first 3 years contract is taking care of elderly, 89 years old and 93 years old. My second 3 years contract is taking care of children, 2 years old, 5 years old, and 8 years old. My duties are taking care of healthy grandma and bedridden grandpa. I take care of kids. And taking care of kids. I do household work, house cleaning, cooking, cook some Chinese food, doing laundry, ironing the clothes, car washing, and gardening. Duties I prepare to work. I am willing to take care of newborn babies, children 1 year old and above, healthy and disabled elderly. I am willing to take care of the garden, take care of the pets, small or big, cats or dog. I am willing to do housework, cooking, gardening, and car washing. I am willing to share job with another Filipino or Indonesian helper. I am willing to share with another family members or another helper. I can also sing a nursery rhyme song for the baby or kids like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. And I like to work in Hong Kong because of the better salary than here in Philippines. I can give support to my family and earn money for my kids' future. And Hong Kong is the safest country. Ma'am and sir, if you hired me, I will promise to finish my contract and work with you as long as you needed me. Thank you.